Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a Rakhi for Raksha Bandhan. For this I have taken embroidery thread and some pearl beads. First take the embroidery thread. Then using a ruler, fold the thread as shown so that you get 90 cm long thread and then cut it. Then bring the two ends on one side as shown. Measure 12 cm from one side and tie a knot. This is a very easy way of making a Rakhi. You just need some pearl beads and embroidery thread here. Now apply glue on both ends of the thread as shown so that the threads do not come out and it is easy to insert the beads. Now take one pearl bead, insert it through one end of the thread and then insert the other end of the thread from the opposite direction. Pull the thread on both sides as shown. Next insert one bead on one end and another bead on the other end of the thread. Next, take the bead, insert it through one end and same as we did in the first step, insert the other end of the thread in the opposite direction as shown and then pull the threads on both sides. This is one set. In the same way we have to make 10 more sets. This is the second set, third, fourth, and for the fifth set I am showing it again so that it is easy for you to understand. Repeat the process till you finish 10 sets. You can tie a couple of knots here so that the beads do not come out. And that's it. Our handmade Rakhi is now ready. So I hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.